Now let us know about JavaScript classes, inheritance, all those, right? First, let us know about the class. So class is a special type of function used to create multiple objects. So with the class, we can create multiple objects, right? We have already seen in constructor function and factory function, right? So I'll show the syntax of class, simple class. This is just a syntax, not code. Okay. So my class constructor of property one. I mean property one. So property to here any properties, that's your wish, and we have to keep them in this operator. Using the this operator, you have to call, and then for property 2 also the same, right? Next, if these are the properties, and what about methods? Here after the constructor method we have to call the methods. I mean we have to define the methods. Here in this, whatever you want you can go ahead. So if you want method 2, that also you can go ahead. And while creating the object, my object is equals to, here we have to use the new operator, right? New operator, my class, I mean the name of the class. Here you have to give the values of the properties. Property 1, property 2. Okay, so that's it. How many objects you want? Those many objects you can create. Right. This is a simple syntax of a class. How a class will be there. So let us let us create one example. I'll create, this is a class name. Person is the name of the class, right? So constructor, I'll give the properties first name and the last name. First name and last name. Fn and Ln. Okay, what are my properties? Fn and Ln, right? So I'll give Fn here also for the first name Fn, and then for the last name Ln, and then here also. Okay, fine. And now I'll display only one method here. Fine. Okay. The name of the method I want to take as display full name. Okay. Display full name. Right. So here I just want to return something. So return this dot full name plus after, I mean full name, not first name, some space, and then last name. This dot last name. Okay, instead of this you can directly keep normally also. Okay, let's try with this. Okay, so when I'm defining the, I mean I'm calling the object, so object is person 1 is equals to, the name of the class is person, right? So person, and Satram Gayatri. Okay, fine. And you can just keep it in the console. Person 1. Alright. So, yes, let's see the output now. Sorry, space I have forgotten. Okay, so here you can see we have got the output, right? So yes, this is a simple example for the class. Okay, so now let us know about the inheritance concept. Okay, so inheritance is a mechanism by which a class a class inherits methods and properties from another class. There are superclass and subclass, and we use extends, super of method, all those we will use. Before that, let us know, I mean, let us know a simple example of inheritance. Let us take single inheritance. Okay, I'll just remove all. Okay, I'll just remove all this and I'll start new. So class, I'll take the name of the class as animal, and here also we have to take the constructor method. Name I am taking, this dot name is equals to name, this is the property, and for method I am taking eat of method. So I want it to return I'm using backticks here. I think you have remembered backticks template strings we have used, right? In that we have used the backticks, right? Right, those. So name is eating, right? So I'll take another method also, make sound of method. So return this dot name is shouting. Sorry. Okay, fine. So that's it. Let's create the object now. Let animal1 is equals to new animal of, I'll take gorilla, console dot log of, just print that, and we'll just call the, sorry, log of in the animal1 object. I'll call eat of method. Right, so let's see the output now. Node index.js. So here if you can see, for this object we have got the output animal name gorilla, right? And for eat of method also we have got the output gorilla is eating, right? For you can do the same for make sound of also. Okay, done. So next, now let us know about the few other concepts. Superclass and subclass. Superclass is nothing but the first which we have, okay, let me show you. So for example, if we have two, three classes, this first class is called superclass, from which we inherit the methods or properties. Superclass is nothing but from the class from which we inherit the methods and properties. Okay, subclass is nothing but the class which take methods and properties from superclass is subclass, right? So we have two other methods, extends of and super of. So extends of keyword is used to inherit methods and properties of the superclass. Okay, and then super of means calling super of makes sure that superclass constructor gets called and initializes the instance, right? Okay, fine. Okay, I'll just remove, okay, I'll just keep it in the comments, and let me show you class superclass. Okay, so this is one class and class subclass. Here the subclass will inherit the properties from superclass. So extends superclass. So yes, that's how we have to write the syntax. Okay. Yes. So let us see one simple example. Okay. So I'll continue with this animal only. Oh, I have taken this animal eat of method, make sound of method, and after this I want to take the subclass. Okay, class dog extends animal. Okay, fine. Here also we can take the sorry. We can take the constructor method, name comma breed. I am going to take breed of that particular dog. So I want the properties and name from that particular animal class. So super of name. Next, this dot breed is equals to breed. Okay, we just want the property, new property is breed only, right? So that's why I have written like that. So sniff of the method name. So return this dot name. Here also gorilla will come because we are inheriting the properties from superclass is sniffing, right? That's it. So we can call, I want to create the object of dog. So dog, The name is dog and breed is German Shepherd. German Shepherd. Okay, fine. And I'll keep it in the console. And I'll call the function sniff off. Dog dot sniff off. Right, let's see the output now. Sorry, here we have used the dog one, right? Okay, fine. So here if you can see we have got the output for object and then for method calling, right? So this is all about the inheritance.